Good morning, 9th Standard English Medium, GT Shet Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome again in video lecture series. Okay, guys, today we learn Sanskrit lesson number 7, Sauhati Karya Sadhika. This is very good story. It is very important about the message. So it is a very valuable story in front of you as a lesson number 7. Okay, Sauhati Karya Sadhika means unity, accomplish the task. This is the title about the story. This story is coming from the Hitopdesh. Hitopdesh and Panchatantra both are very famous books in Sanskrit literature, and both are translated in many languages in whole world. So this is the ornaments about the Sanskrit literature. Okay, guys, Hitopdesh written by Pandit Narayan, which one born at the 9th century AD. So this book is from the 9th century AD, and it is very interesting book. So many interesting messaging story are there, and this is the one of them, Sauhati Karya Sadhika. Okay, the speciality about the Hitopdesh and Panchatantra is like that. The story's character almost it's a bird and animals. So it is very valuable, unique thing in Sanskrit literature. Okay, guys, first of all you must be read the introduction paragraph very carefully, 1 or 2 times, and then after read glossary very carefully. Why? Because when we read the glossary we must be understanding the Sanskrit word in English meaning. Okay, and as a criteria about the grammatical section, it is also helpful, like a noun, pronoun, feminine word, masculine word, adjective, adverbs are there, as well as compound, as well as sandhi, as well as sometimes participants are there. So glossary is a very valuable thing in our Sanskrit language. Okay, so unity, accomplish the task. This is the base of story. This is the theme of story. And we should be learn the importance of the organization from the birds and animals. So this is the moral about the story. So guys, okay, now we start lesson number 7 very nicely. Asti Godavari Tire Vishal Shalamli Taru. It is silk cotton tree. It's called Shalamli Taru, which is situated in the bank of river Godavari. Vividebhyah desebhyah samagata bahvah vihavagaha tava ratro nivasanti. So many words coming from the different kind of country are stay at the night at the Shalamli Taru, means silk cotton tree. Why? Because it is very huge and very large tree. Teshu Laghupatak namna vayasa api ektamasti. There is the one bird, one crow, it's a name Laghupataka, is also there. Atha kadachit prabhat kale sa vayasa krutantam dvitiyam eva atantam vyakam apashyat. Once upon a time at the morning he was see the hunter at there in the form of the Yamraj, in the form of the death god. So tam avalokya sa achintayat, he thought like that. Atya pratareva anishta darshanam sanjata. At the morning this is the very bad scene out there. Na jani tat kimanam abhipretam darshayisyati. I don't know how is doing bad at the old days. So iti vichintya sa vyakula sanjata. He is a very disturbing thing like that. Atha tena vyaghena tandulkananam vikriyam jhalam vistiranam. So now the hunter is spread the net with the rice grains. Sa cha vrukshasya prashtbhage prachannu bhutva atishtat. And then after he stay behind the tree, and then he was waiting about the hunting. Tasmin neva kale Chitragriva namna Kapotaraja parivarena saha gagane vyaparsat. At that time in the sky there is the Kapotaraj, the king of pigeon named Chitragriv, coming with his family members. Bhumo vikrananam tandukaranam drashva kapota lubdhaha abhavan. The old pigeons feel greediness when see the rice grain at the land. So bhumo vikranam tandukaranam drashva kapota lubdha bhavan tataha sa kapotaraja tandukaran lubdhana kapotan akathet. Then after the king pigeon, Chitragriv said to his family members like that, कुत्रोऽयं निर्जने वने तण्डुकानां सम्भवं. How can be possible at that the forest it is rice grain spread it? So now tasmin rupyatam tavat. I think so like that. See, bhadram idam na pashyami. I think it is very, it's not good for us. Anena tandukalana lobena asmakam mahadam anishtam bhavitum mahati. I think so. In the greedy, at the greediness about this rice grain, we are going in the very big problems. We face very big problems. Atah sarvatha avicharitam karmam na kartavyam. So without thinking, don't do any type of work. And then yatah, now the shlok is like that. सुजीर्णम अन्नम सुविचक्षण सुतः सुशासिता श्रीः नृपति सुसेवित सुचिन्त्य च उक्त सुविचार्यं चयुत्र सुदीर्घ काले अपि न याति विक्रियां. So it is very important shloks. See like that. Well digested food, it is sujirnam annam, well digested food. Suvichakshanam sutam, very clever son. And then Susashita Shri, well managed wealth. Shri means wealth. Nrupati Susevita, king who is well with served. And Suchintya cha uktam suvicharyam yat krutam, said thinking properly, said after thinking properly, and whatever can after thought, sudirgha kale api na yati vikriyat. They all are do not get spoiled in long time. So these all things are very important. Okay, so it is very important shlok. When I give the translation pic, you should be read 2 or 3 times these shloks translation very carefully and learn it. Okay, now etad vachanam shrutva kashit kapoth sadarpam avadat. Saying then after hearing that, Chitra gives thought. Some pigeon, one pigeon said like with garva, means abhiman, means over proudness, with proud. Kim eva muchyate. Oh, what type of say like that? वृद्धानां वचनं ग्राह्यं आपत्काले सुवस्थितः सर्वचत्र विचारेण भोजनेम प्रवर्तनम्. Okay, again Chitradev said that in the calamity, advise the old people. It is very important. And then after it should be acceptable. Why? Because thinking the every time, even in the food, it will be, even in the drinking or food. So after thinking each and every time, it is very beneficial for us. So he said like that. And then after they all things are accepted. What type of accepted? Vruddhanam vachanam grayat. In calamity, the old people's both or message, it's very important. And then apatkale in calamity, and sarvatreva vicharana, each and everything, when we do each and everything, it should be thinking very properly, if even drinking or if even food. So, and then uktam cha, and then after shankavihi sarvakramantam panam cha durlabam pravritti kutra kartavya jivitav kathem menuva, means everything is doubtful in the whole world. So how can we eat, how can we drink, how can we doing activities, and how can we live? So young pigeon is said like that, everything is doubtful in world. So how can doing like that? How can doing drinking, how can doing eating, how can doing activities, how can doing live? So now tasya tadvachanam shrutva, listening about that, sarve kapotaha, all pigeons, tatra jale upavishata, all pigeons stay at that net. And anantaram te sarve jalena baddha bhavan, and then all are stick at the this net. Atha jalabdhate yasya vachanena tatra samapatanam tasya kapotasya tiraskaram kurvati sma. And then now the calamities is coming. they all are ignore the message or the bodh or the good thoughts about Chitragriva, and then after they all are coming about in this situation. Tasya tiraskaram shrutva Chitragriva avdatah. And then after Chitragriva thought like that and say like that, vipatta kale vismaya eva ka purusha lakshana. At the calamities, it is how can we remove these calamities? It is the think about the ka purusha lakshana, means it is the wicked person's sign. So tadra dhairyam avalambam idanim kriyatam. So stay very carefully, take patience. I think more for that. Okay, सर्वे एकम चित्तम एक चित्तीय भूय झालाम आदय उड्डिताम. Okay, now then after Chitragriva said to all pigeons like that, see, all are fly with unity to take this net. And yatah अल्पानपि वस्तूनां संहति कार्यसाधिका तृणे गृणेन्वापन्ने बध्यते मत्तदन्तिनः. Okay, so now unity accomplished the task. So now the one thread when organized and then convert in the rope, and then he tied a very mad hathi, tied the elephant. So now unity accomplished the task. Iti vichintya sarve kapotam jhalayam adaya utpatitaha. And then after saying that, thinking that, the old pigeons take the net and fly away. Okay guys, in next video lecture we are talking more for lesson number 7. So now today you must be read the introduction paragraph, glossary, and you must be read the whole lesson 2 or 3 times. Why? Because this lesson is important as a comprehension, as a translation, as a question answer, or as a short note in English. So now lesson number 7 is very important. Okay, in next video lecture we are talk about the more for this lesson and exercise. Okay guys, till then take care yourself at your home and have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.